Hi everyone, Gray Power 60 here. So I wanted to share all the goodies that my daughter-in-law gave me after the wedding and after we cleaned up everything. So I'll take the box off and just show you a few things she had made herself. I'm gonna have to, she gave me a big bag full of these wreaths and what she had done. Let me see if I can grab stuff. And she had napkins, very pretty napkins. Oh, there. I'm trying to get organized. Sorry, guys. The box is small and it's on the floor, but let me just grab a couple of things to throw out at you. And this was one of the decorations, this flower with all of the, and it had twinkle lights. So I think that's all I need to show you. Anyway, the color scheme was green and purple, which was my grandson's and my son's favorite colors. What she did was she had the a ring of these flowers, and then a candle went in here. I don't know if I grabbed a candle. Maybe not. I can always grab one from her later on. She also, as a thank you for being here with them, she bought these little keys. A lot of people didn't take them, so I grabbed all the extras of those. You know, there's some men that didn't really want those. So she did a lot of work. She did all of this herself, including, you know, everything. And the flowers, I mean, I can be using these in my crafts easily. And this, I love these napkins. She was going to throw them out, and I said, no, 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 no. I can always use, especially when they're embossed. These are embossed. Great for background on anything, really. I was going to say my Halloween stuff. She also had these beautiful bubbles that everybody could blow bubbles as they came in, and we had a lot of fun. It was a great time, and she has a full bag of these wreaths, and she knows I do a lot of crafting, so these purples are going to be nice. The purple and the green, they're a nice color that I'll be able to use on different things. And my pumpkin can even go in there as I decorate it. I mean, examples. And she had an archway that was filled with flowers and twinkle lights. And yeah, so I inherited some stuff that I think will be great for, I mean, I love this purple. It's beautiful. I can't really show you the flowers, but they're in a vine, and wrapped around them is beautiful little purple flowers here. And wrapped around it's a big, big, big vine that was across one of the tables, and with twinkle lights. So I grabbed that one. And yeah, I think that was it. So yeah, I've got a lot of little goodies in my stash. These purple flowers, these roses, can easily be taken apart. I might as well do one right now. I could take one apart very easily. They're like a foam, so I could easily recreate little things with it, you know. We can make these ourselves, right? But I mean, the colors are just unbelievable. And yeah, so I can be using these for all kinds of things. And decorating my house. I have that wreath is going to go. Not the wreath, the flowers. And these, and then her girlfriend made, I put it in here, I had my my key and my bubbles. I put them in here because she had given me this, and it was her maid of honor who made me these lovely little earrings. I think they're so adorable. She does a lot of jewelry and things, and that was kind of the gift. She made one for the mother of the bride and one for the mother of the groom. And that was it. So that is, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. Wouldn't it be great if they didn't break and you put them in some pocket letters? I thought would have been fun. Not sure. But that is it for me. I just wanted to give you a little update on the wedding. It went well. We have beautiful pictures. I printed it out on photo paper, and then I ran out of photo paper because I wanted a picture of my son, me, and my daughter. And the picture that I have for my son and his wife in their outfit, I ran out of photo paper. I made one for them and gave it to them as a gift, you know, because I wanted it printed right away, and they came out beautifully. But that's my two children, and look how short I am, and look how tall they are. Although my daughter's wearing heels. But yeah, we had a good time, and I just wanted to update you on that. And I'm going to need a few days to kind of wind down and get back into crafting. I have a few ideas that I'd like to put out there. I'm getting a little tired of Halloween. I did want to share that I found these larger wooden pieces. I found them in the box. I must have picked it up last year, the year before. Some more Halloween stuff. These were the little wee ones that I had in the smaller package. Yeah, I have too much Halloween and not enough time to do it. So I think we'll take a break from Halloween. I'm going to have my son and my daughter. I'm just going to put it over here for now. Put it on my mirror. And that's it for me. Just a little update on the wedding. Was wonderful. It was beautiful. We had a lot of fun, a lot of food. Yeah, it was wonderful. So thanks very much for joining me today and listening to me kind of brag a little bit. I wish I had my daughter-in-law, my new daughter-in-law. I wish I had her wedding picture with me, but I printed it off and brought it to them, and I didn't get a chance to make a copy to show you. But if I can remember, I'll try and put it in the video at the end or somewhere here. Anyway, guys, that's it for me. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.